seconds to several minutes. It depends on what the trainers are trying to accomplish at that time. Now, while you are joining us poolside today, we do have a couple safety guidelines. You are welcome to have a seat alongside the pool wall, but we do want to make sure all those hands, arms, legs, and feet are always on the people side or outside the pool wall at all times. And if you need to set anything down, such as a bag, purse, camera, cell phones, or cups, anything like that, we do ask you to set these items down by your feet and never on top of the pool wall. That is for the safety of our dolphins. You can view both our main and center pools underwater by taking the brown carpet ramps located on both sides of the main pool. One between the dolphin snack bar and the center bridge, and another in between the two white tents and the stairs. We do ask
goes again, Joe.
The sound is far faster underwater, so we like to have to sound very loud to the dolphins and may scare them away. If you'd like to get their attention, a simple way might do that. If you are joining us here,
עידן, ראית מה הוא עושה, דולפין?
the one that was just sitting there, that's Beal. He's 8 years old. And he's also in here with Lightning. Lightning is in his mid-30s.
תראה, עכשיו הולך לקפוץ עוד פעם. ראית? הוא עכשיו הולך, כן, נראה לי. נמאס לי. יאיי!
ראית מה הוא עשה?
ראיתי, הוא קפא. הוא רוצה... הוא כועס שם, לא נותנים לו קרח, ראית?
למה?
הוא רוצה קרח והם לא נותנים לו, הוא כועס, אתה רואה מה עושה? הוא משפריץ עליהם.
He finds it reinforcing. It's almost as reinforcing as fish because we paired it with fish so much. It's kind of like the equivalent of money to us. We don't eat the money, we don't bathe in money, but it gets us what we want. So, sometimes he'll eat it, but we don't depend on him to eat it. He just plays with it.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a wonderful one.
Quick on that.
Go on it! I put it out!
You can see him doing the ice cube right there. Now these are also Now we do two types of positive reinforcement. Primary reinforcement. They need to survive, so just officially eat. And then a secondary reinforcement is the dolphins do get full throughout the day, so they don't necessarily always want fish.
I don't want anything to do with
Some
this.
ice to them, they like to play with that. Also some toys they like to play with, even a rub down.
It's actually you guys ice rewarding enough to be able to do. So he learns that that if he does that type of behavior, see if he
Also, folks, if you are looking for the white lines, white tigers and leopards also be right over that small bridge through the tanning green cabana. Do keep in mind while inside the water that these cats do spend hard in their territory, and they dance right up to 2 feet from that fence.
I have more ideas.
I'm sorry, in your direction, I advise you to get out of the way very quickly. And folks, if you have any questions, feel free to ask any of our educators located around the facility. We do that. I'd love you. We hope you enjoy your visit today.
Oh yeah, we're not doing anything.
הנה, תראה, עכשיו הולך לקפוץ עוד פעם, עידן.
Is everyone gone?
עידן?
Oh, I'm not. He's doing all this on his own. So this is actually, like I was telling the other people, this is called capturing. So if he offers it, the behavior that I'm trying to capture, then I'm going to reward that sporadically. Kind of like if your dog offers a sit or a lay down, and you reward him for it. Hopefully by rewarding him, he'll do it more in the future. Now, one of the methods that capturing works to train behaviors very fast. However, if the behavior starts to break down or there's any type of forgetting, yes, I know, that if there's any type of forgetting, then you don't have a step to go back to. So what we like to do when we actually formally train things is do what's called successive approximations. It sounds really big and fancy, but basically it means little baby steps in order to train the behavior. One thing that we train them is called a target. So they're trained to press their head to their mouth.
בואי, אני רוצה לראות את הטיגריס עכשיו?
לא עכשיו.
If we want to do this, we would do it backwards.
How do you tell the difference between a male and a female?
A male and female, if you looked at a male and a female on their underbelly, a female dolphin has what looks like a division sign, and the male dolphins have an exclamation point. The exclamation point has all the boy parts inside, and the females and the two little dots in the division sign have the mammary glands. Yes, I know. They have the mammary glands to the big.
ראית? הוא רוצה...
Male dolphins do this.
And if you had two female and one female and two males, would they fight?
They could. It depends on how dominant each male is. If the male is very submissive, they probably would let the other male have it, but it just kind of depends. These guys are both pretty dominant, so